So I'm going to be exploring a fresh new way that you can make money as a Lego maniac. And in this one, it is very simple method and it is very effective as well. And to do this correctly, you have to do the following. First of all, you're going to be doing this and you're going to be posting listings at least a week before the actual item is going to come out on sale from Lego. Now, there is two ways for you to go about this. One is to do the pre-orders, where you're accepting pre-orders on eBay. And two, of course, you're not going to do pre-orders. You're actually going to go to a store such as Target and see if you can find Lego minifigures that you can buy. Most people, they just do the pre-order. So what you're doing is very simple. You're going over here, adding the actual product to your wish list. And then after you add the product to your wish list, you're going to go and post it up for sale. So here it is. There is an actual example of people doing exactly that. Now, those kind of people who were able to grab 4 of those actual listings, they went and they found it probably in a Target store or maybe even a Walmart. They bought every single one of those mini goodie bags and they posted those for sale. So usually they're sold for around $3, and $3 times 4, around $12. He sold it for a whopping $37. He made like 3 times extra money and he sold 2 of them using this specific method. So this is one successful person who did this Legovesting method. And here is another one. This one did it a little bit different. Now, the way this guy actually goes about and does it is a lot more simple. All he's doing, he is selling a pre-order of the actual product. He doesn't even have any of this on hand. And he sold a whopping 182 different kind of sets for $200. So let's figure out how much money he actually made. 192 items, multiple by around $98 of profit. We are talking about a whopping $18,000 of cash that he was able to make using this Legovesting method. This is, wow, this is just as much that you can buy a brand new car. Now, there is a lot of things that could go wrong here, but this is something that he is doing. He is a big time Legovesting maniac. He has 24,000 feedbacks. He's been doing this for years. So he knows exactly what he is doing. And for almost a brand new car, this is how much he is making. This method is very successful. The only downside is that he has to find a humongous quantity of those Lego sets, which actually means he will have to buy a huge amount of them on Lego.com. He will have to go to Target, he will have to go to Walmart, he will have to get his hands on every single one of those Lego movie sets right after they're released so he can give it to his customers. But it's totally worth it. $18,000 of profit. Just imagine what you can do with something like this. So here is another example of somebody doing something very similar. This guy is not taking as much chances as the previous guy, where he was making a whooping amount of cash and yet taking pre-orders. This guy is only doing very few sets over here, but he is selling the trading cards. So the trading cards actually come for free if you're ordering some things online. So he ordered a bunch of Lego sets and then he got trading cards and he kept on ordering miniature orders. So how do you get so many trading cards? It is also very simple. What you're doing is you're placing orders from the Lego store, you're placing miniature orders that are giving you the free shipping, you're selling those as a Legovester, and then you're getting all those extra goodies all for free by placing a minimum order. So he did exactly that and he is swimming in a ton of money. That's right. All those Legovesters are doing exactly that. So you should do this as well. This is a great way for you to make money with Legovesting.